Hi everyone, my name is Bamidele Obi. I'm a poultry farmer, and at my back is my pen house. That's my poultry farm. Well, I started this poultry business, let's say 4 years ago, and it wasn't this much. I started at a very small scale. Yeah, poultry farming has been my passion. I love animals, so I love animal farming. Then animal farming, I love chickens. I love to study them, their egg production, what they do, you understand. So because of my love for chicken and their production, that is why I entered poultry farming. Then along the line, let's say 2 years ago, you have to keep upgrading. You cannot be in a particular place. You have to keep improving. I started with like let's say 50 beds. Then along the line, the country now, price of things will keep going high. It has not been easy for poultry farmers. Then I can remember one fateful morning, I came online. One thing about farmers is that our steady need for capital to improve, to have more beds. Then I came online, then I saw a platform named KAVOD INSIGHTS. And Nigeria now, it's very hard to trust people, so I was skeptical at first. Then the conversation was smooth. They were discussing how their group of people, they love what I was doing, and they want to see how they can come in and expand my business, expand my poultry business. Well, it sounded too good to be true, you understand. It sounded too good to be true. Then I was like, okay, let's see how it goes. The customer care services was so smooth, so easy. They made life easy. The documents, the presentation, the talk, everything. When they even came to see me in person, I was like, wow. I was still skeptical till they came through, and you can see it. I've really gone far thanks to them. Like, thanks to KAVOD Insights, I'm now a proud poultry farmer. You can see I have expanded. I have a guy that started with 150 beds, and I have 500 to 1,000 beds. You understand? So I'm so happy, and I will advise every other struggling farmers, poultry farmers, pig farmers, those into fishery, any kind of thing. If you are struggling, I can assure you that KAVOD Insights is there for you. So we are still working on it. It's still under construction. We are expanding. We are expanding the poultry pen house to accommodate more beds. That is how life is when you have KAVOD Insights with you. So at Farmers Joy, the sweet thing about Farmers Joy Ventures is that we produce everything we use, from the feed production, you understand, to the brooding of the chicken. We have all the services in Farmers Joy Ventures. Like, for example, this is the product of one of our feed formulation. It's very unique in terms of color, in terms of color and nutrition. You understand? I would have loved to tell you the ingredient I use in making my feed formulation, but that would be exposing my secrets. But I'll be happy to teach any farmers, you know, any poultry farmers that is interested in learning feed formulation. You get, and the quality is 100%. They lay constantly, lay regularly, be it cold weather, be it hot weather. You know, we give them premium care, and all this would not have been possible if KAVOD Insights did not refuse to invest in my poultry farm.
Sorry, I just want to ask, is it what you're saying now is what determines the quality of the egg and the size is what the bird feeds on, right?
Yes, layers, they have wombs, so they have a lot of eggs.
Okay.
You understand? So what we do is fasten the eggs, like the growth of the eggs, so that they meet up everyday production. That is where the feed comes in. The quality of the feed will now tell you if you are going to be getting everyday eggs.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Normally they lay every 25 hours.
Okay.
25 to 36 hours according to their age. You understand? But the feed formulation, the feed they eat, make sure it is regular. They maintain that every 25 to 36 hours. If you use wrong feed formulation, they won't give you constant eggs, and they will develop sickness. And as a farmer, what you won't want is for any of your birds to be sick. You want an healthy growing birds, because if they are healthy, they give you constant production and you make your profits.
Okay, sorry. So let's assume that one of the bird is sick. Do you control that too, or you have?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, but we have a store, a cage, a battery cage system where we keep sick layers. Then we have a place too where we keep broilers, but our broiler production is low. We are more into layers than broilers.
Okay.